My name is Karthik and my project is in the Earth and Environmental Science Senior Division. My project tested the functions of phenolic compounds within common natural spices on antibiotic-resistant gram-negative bacteria found in wastewater. Antibiotic resistance is a growing problem in today's society because of the overuse and improper disposal of antibiotics in our homes, hospitals, farms, and other facilities, where they eventually lead to our wastewater and create an environment for bacteria to develop resistance through natural selection, where the few resistant bacteria will survive and reproduce until eventually they consist of most of the population. This is a problem because once common and treatable illnesses can become fatal, forecasting a future where people die for minor injuries that become infected. I wanted to explore natural alternatives to these antibiotics that still exhibited effective antibacterial activity but reduced exposure to these bacteria through their natural decomposition properties. In my project, I used two spices, clove and cinnamon, which were shown to be effective against various different types of bacteria, and I obtained a strain of resistant E. coli K12 and non-resistant E. coli K12 to test on in wastewater samples. My results showed that both spices exhibited antibacterial activity against both resistant and non-resistant strains of E. coli K12, but the cinnamon was much more effective than the clove against the resistant strain of E. coli K12. This suggested two things. One, my original hypothesis was correct that spices could show antibacterial activity against resistant strains of bacteria, but also it suggested that because the cinnamon had much higher results against the resistant strain of bacteria, it could have had unique antibiotic properties as opposed to regular antibiotics, whereas the clove, because it did not show as high results against the resistant bacteria, it did not have unique antibiotic properties as opposed to regular antibiotics. In the future, I would like to extend my results by comparing these with regular antibiotics and seeing their results. And also, I would like to change various factors such as temperature, humidity, and toxicity to see how the results would be affected. Thank you.